Imagine if Mothra truly existed. First of all, unlike Godzilla, who's often unpredictable, Mothra is known as a benevolent and protective creature. She stands on humanity's side, guarding both her sacred infant island and the world from massive threats, including Godzilla himself. As long as we respected her home and didn't try to destroy the planet, the mighty moth goddess would probably leave us in peace. In fact, many might even visit Infant Island as tourists, hoping to witness Mothra with their own eyes or even communicate with her. But what if she did attack? If humanity invaded her territory or endangered the Earth, then yes, we'd have a serious problem. A gigantic flying moth could cause chaos if the movies are to be believed. However, according to Michael LaBarbera, a biologist from the University of Chicago who studied B-movie monsters, the real-life version of Mothra might be far less terrifying. His research shows that a creature of Mothra's size would need a massive network of tracheal tubes to breathe, making her body incredibly light and low in density, about as dense as a cotton ball. That's right, a cotton ball. Not so scary anymore, huh? This lightweight body would make her extremely fragile. Modern weapons could easily tear through her, and even a heavy rainstorm might bring her crashing down. But there's more. LaBarbera also concluded that Mothra probably couldn't even fly. As her body grows, her mass increases faster than her wing surface area, meaning liftoff would be nearly impossible. And even if she managed to get airborne, her light frame would cause her to blow around helplessly in the wind. Sure, if she crashed into a building, there'd be some damage, but nothing like what Godzilla could do. In reality, even if Mothra tried to attack, the threat would be minimal. She might never even reach civilization, since flying long distances from her island would be a struggle. Still, Mothra does have one legendary ability: rebirth. According to myth, Mothra is an eternal goddess, capable of dying and being reborn from her own egg, like a phoenix. So even if humanity managed to defeat her, she'd eventually return, though thankfully, she'd still be the same fragile creature. And let's not forget her twin fairies, who act as her voice and bridge between gods and humans. If Mothra were real, these fairies would play a vital role, not only helping us communicate with her, but also reassuring the world that she means no harm. So, what would happen if Mothra was real? In truth, probably not much. She wouldn't attack unless provoked, and even if she did, her cotton ball-like body would make her easy to stop. She might cause a little chaos if the wind tossed her around. But nothing humanity couldn't handle. All things considered, a real Mothra wouldn't be a world-ending monster. She'd be more of a majestic, misunderstood creature. Personally, I think having Mothra around would be pretty amazing.